This video shows you a really easy way to create links for student work that can be shared with the teachers in your department, as well as external moderators. So to do this, I've set up a classroom within Google Classroom called Standardizing Moderation. Within this, I've set up a task called Links for Marking and Moderation, and this is where I'm going to get students' work from. So the students' work that I'd like to share or get the link for is this cauliflower coconut oil stew. Now to get the link for this, I need to go to this little icon here, which will take me to Google Classroom, which will take me to Google Drive. And within Google Drive, Classroom has automatically set up a folder for itself, and within that folder is a folder for the classroom, my classroom, Standardizing Moderation, and then a subfolder has automatically been set up, which is where the students' work will go when they hand it in. So here we can find Melody's recipe. So if I right-click on that and go into the sharing settings, I can see that it's shared with Melody Brown in one group. I therefore need to change the settings. To do this, I go into Advanced, and if you have a look here, it's set to being shared with only specific people. So this is what I need to change. So it gives you a couple of options, and the one that I recommend is to change it to anyone with the link. So this means anybody with the link will be able to access the student's work, and then you can decide what they do with it. So they can either edit it, comment, or view. I recommend view so that they don't change or edit any of the work. So here's the link. So I'll just copy that. Done. And I'll go into my markers spreadsheet and I'm going to add it over here, paste. So if I click on that, that will take me directly to the student's work. So what we don't want you to do is to go into the student's work and share this link over here. If you have a look at the link address, you can see that it links directly to Classroom. And unfortunately, this link's not going to work. So if I paste it over there and then select and copy that link, and if I go into a different user and I paste that, this is what it's going to come up with. And unfortunately, that means that I can't access it because I'm not a member of the Google Classroom. So it's really important that it's the link in the Google Drive folder that you're sharing. I'd also like to show you what it looks like if you haven't got the sharing settings set correctly. So I'm going to go back into Share, and I'm going to change my settings to, I'm going to go back into Share, and I'm going to change my settings to specific people, save. And then I'm going to get that link and show you what it will look like for those who don't have access. That's when they'll get a message like this. So it's really, really important that you share the link to the Google Drive and you make sure you change the settings to anybody with access. Anybody with the link can access. I hope this has helped, and I hope that if you have any questions, you won't hesitate to contact me. Thank you.